As another approach or another option to design systems, we will also be able to combine functionalities such as sketch imports that will allow you to import mockups or designs of applications and automatically include all the style, all the controls, and all the sources within your knowledge base. And this will allow developers to focus on the programming of the system and not so much on the design of it. We will see how to import a sketch design. In this case, the mobile application that you are looking at was created with the import of a sketch mockup. You can see on the screen a mockup image that was created with all the different interfaces that are available for the mobile application. These were all imported in your knowledge base in GeneXus. So how do you import that from GeneXus? You go to the main menu, you select Tools, go to Application Integration, and that gives you the option that is called Sketch Import. You can select a sketch design and you can load it to preview what that mockup is going to look like, and you will be able to select the different components to be imported to your knowledge base. In this case, we open the design file that was created from Sketch for the eBanking application, and that allows you to view the different screens that are part of that mockup. I think it's important to mention that Sketch will not only import the screens, but also all the graphic resources that you will see in the design, such as fonts and images. So once you do the import in GeneXus, you will have that created in your knowledge base. You can see that that is grouped in the multi-experience folder. You see all the objects that have been created based on the import of that mockup. You see that you have different objects. They belong to the mobile screens, and additionally, it generated design elements that allow us to reuse some components throughout the GeneXus application, such as the case of different stencils, for instance, that you have in your knowledge base created after that import. And also, you will have the components where the information that was in that mockup appears. So what can you do with that information? You can modify the information and you can do something that is called binding. You will bind this information that is hard-coded, and you will be able to connect it with the information that you're managing and running from your system. So programming by importing from Sketch becomes extremely easy and straightforward, because the only thing that you need to take care of is where you will be displaying that information, or better said, in which screen you will want to show that information available in your system. So what you're seeing now on the screen is an example of a trial data provider that has information, and it was created automatically based on the sketch import. But I'm going to show you another data provider that already has the information linked to our GeneXus system. Once you import that from Sketch and once you've binded it with the information in your system, you can make use of some very good functionalities offered by GeneXus, such as live editing, so that you can see in real time how your mobile application is up and running, and you can make any changes that are necessary and that they will have a direct
Directamente.
impact.